My family life is just so important, and whenever you're an A-type personality, you're hard charging. My wife is also A-type personality, and we tend to, if we're irritated or tired, we can snap at each other, just like any relationship has, fights and things like that about maybe petty things like washing the dishes or cleaning the restroom. And what I found is, through pulsing, I have a lot more energy, so I'm able to take care of little things that I might just put off till later, and I take care of those. But at the same time, our irritation level is so low, and so we just aren't irritated with the small things, so we brush over things that we might get tripped up on and fight about. So it's just made our home much more welcoming. We have a 5 and 2-year-old, and we have much more patience with them, and it just makes much for a more loving environment. So that's just phenomenal, that I would have never expected from doing the Pulse.